Hi, this is Julia and the Space Daily News channel. NASA's ambitious Artemis 1 moon mission is going to return to the pad one last time ahead of launch. The Artemis 1 stack will make the roughly 4-mile journey from Kennedy Space Center's Vehicle Assembly Building to Launch Complex 39B on August 18. The rollout will keep Artemis 1 on track to launch on a weeks-long uncrewed journey around the moon no earlier than August 29. Artemis 1 will put the Space Launch System, megarocket, and Orion spacecraft through their paces to ensure reliability ahead of astronauts taking a similar ride. Artemis 1 will mark the first ever launch for the Space Launch System and just the second for Orion, which went to Earth's orbit back in 2014. If all goes according to plan, on August 29th, the Space Launch System will roar through the atmosphere to achieve orbit in just 8.5 minutes. The huge rocket's upper stage will then deploy Orion into a translunar injection orbit about 80 to 90 minutes after liftoff. Those milestones will kick off an action-packed 42 days in space for Orion. Orion will target a lunar retrograde orbit. It will stay there for several weeks, then get a gravity assist from the moon for the journey back to Earth. The spacecraft had three primary goals on Artemis 1. Mission team members want Orion to show it can come back through Earth's atmosphere safely, can work consistently in a flight environment from launch to splashdown, and can keep astronauts safe inside during the retrieval after coming back home. Orion's last major milestone of the mission will be a high-speed re-entry through Earth's atmosphere aiming for a splashdown site off the coast of San Diego. It will descend into the Pacific Ocean underneath parachutes and just before arriving do a landing orientation maneuver to slide into the ocean waves at the right angle. Their vehicle power will remain on for about 2 hours to test how well Orion does at maintaining cooling for astronauts. After the mission will come months of analysis to ensure Space Launch System and Orion are indeed ready to carry humans. The current schedule calls for Artemis 2 to loft a moon orbiting crew in 2024, and for Artemis 3, the first human moon landing mission since 1972, to touch down on the surface of the moon. Space Daily News with Julia. Please subscribe to the channel.